Hello, my name is Kingsley Kenigwe, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how I transitioned from chemical engineering to software engineering with zero knowledge in programming and no computer degrees. 2 years ago, I thought about skill I could learn at the time, and I thought about learning graphic design, which is a great skill. I needed something more challenging, something more demanding. Meanwhile, in 2013, I had interest in learning programming, but didn't really know how to go about it because I needed a coach at the time, and no coach was forthcoming, so I dropped the desire. In 2022, I stumbled upon a video by an Indian software engineer by the name of Sahil Gabal. Sahil Gabal works at Google. He talked about how he transitioned from being a mechanical engineer to software engineer within 2 years, and he started working at Google. He talked about how he learned his first programming language, which is Java. He advised beginners to start with Python because of its simplistic syntax. He also advised beginners to start with the basis of Python, that is visiting www.learnpython.org. I picked the challenge. I went on this site. I read everything I could about Python, practiced exercises on this site. Then I started watching YouTube videos. It took me 8 months to learn Python because Python was my first programming language. Just to learn a single concept like variables, class, function, loops, and several others. But it took me 1 month or 2 weeks because I needed to understand the in-depth of these concepts. So I would go on the internet, browse about this concept, read everything I could about a particular concept at the time, and also watch a minimum of 5 videos just to learn a single concept. Within 8 months, I was able to learn Python. I started building mini projects like calculator, number guessing game, Madlibs, tic-tac-toes, and several others. Then I transitioned to learn Django, which is my first framework. I learned Django in 3 months. Then I got a side gig to build a web application for a company. I built the application. This project challenged me to learn more, to discover Stack Overflow, Discord, and Slack. It's also built in me the most important skill of a software engineer, which is the ability to solve problems, the ability to go on the internet and seek for solutions. Because I often tell people the most important skill of a software engineer is not just the programming skill, but the ability to go on the internet and seek solution. Seeking solution is a skill on its own because it's not just going on the internet and typing whatever you want, but framing your question in such a way to get the answer you desire. So I learned that. After building the project, I went on to learn Java, which is my second programming language. I learned Java in 1 month because I was already familiar with the OOPS concept in Python. Java is built on the OOPS concept, class, and inheritance, encapsulation, and so on. I learned Java in 1 month, and I went on to learn JavaScript. Meanwhile, I was already building projects on Java, like student calculator, database management system, banking application, hotel management system. Then I went on to learn JavaScript, which is my third programming language. I learned JavaScript within 1 month because I'm already familiar with a lot about programming from Python and Java. After learning JavaScript, I started building mini projects using vanilla JavaScript. And I went on to learn React. I learned React in 1 month because I challenged myself to learn React. So I put in the work and I learned React in 1 month. After learning React, I started building mini projects on React. Then I went on to challenge myself more to learn React Native. After learning React Native for a month, I started building mobile application using React Native for Android and iOS. Then I challenged myself more to learn data structure algorithm, which is what I'm currently on right now. So I'm making videos on what I've learned on DSA. Subscribe to this channel so that you watch and learn too. Then the key takeaway in my story is if you have a skill, if you have passion, if you have dream to achieve something or to do something, just go for it. The best time to start a thing is now. If I started 2013, I would have gone further ahead than where I'm right now. So my advice is to start now and keep developing yourself. Secondly is consistency. In the tech space, you need to be consistent. It's not just programming today, not programming tomorrow, or programming yesterday, not programming today. So you need to keep learning. You need to keep developing yourself because In the tech space, you need to be consistent. Consistency is key because the more consistent you are with your programming exercise or learning, the further ahead you go. Tell this, believe in yourself. It's very easy to trust and believe God, but it's very hard to believe in ourselves or our God given abilities. Oftentimes, people say, I believe in God, but they don't believe in the God given ability God has deposited in them. So you need to learn to believe in yourself. Oftentimes, we face imposter syndrome, and the only way to trash imposter syndrome is to believe in yourself. Keep learning and keep developing yourself. So I hope with this story of mine, you'll be able to learn more, and don't forget to like this video, comment if this video resonates with you, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much, and bye.